Are you ready to discover practical strategies for effective communication in meetings? This lesson explores how to communicate clearly, confidently, and collaboratively to ensure productive meetings. Let's dive into the essentials of making your voice heard. Effective communication is the backbone of successful meetings. It boosts productivity, minimizes misunderstandings, encourages everyone to participate, and leads to better, more informed decisions. Without clear communication, meetings can become unproductive and frustrating. Ensuring everyone is on the same page is crucial. Let's explore how to achieve that. Preparation is key to a successful meeting. Review the agenda, understand the meeting's objectives, gather any necessary information, and organize your thoughts. This groundwork allows you to contribute meaningfully. Knowing what to expect helps you stay focused. Let's see how to set clear expectations next. At the start, clarify everyone's roles, set time limits, and outline what you hope to achieve. This keeps the meeting focused and efficient. Without clear expectations, meetings can drift off course. Defining roles and outcomes provides direction. Now, let's move to active listening in meetings. Practice active listening by focusing on the speaker, avoiding interruptions, showing you understand, and asking questions when you need clarification. Listening actively ensures everyone feels heard and valued. It fosters a collaborative environment. Let's discuss how to speak clearly and concisely next. Speak clearly and to the point. Use simple language, be direct, stay on topic, and avoid unnecessary jargon to ensure everyone understands your message. Clear communication prevents confusion. Let's see how to encourage participation now. Encourage everyone to share their ideas. Value all opinions and create a safe environment where people feel comfortable contributing. Participation leads to diverse perspectives and better decisions. Let's explore managing dominant and quiet participants next. Balance participation by gently redirecting those who dominate and inviting quieter members to share their thoughts. This ensures a fair and inclusive discussion. Managing dynamics is key to productive meetings. Let's look at using nonverbal communication now. Your body language matters. Maintain eye contact, use open gestures, and nod to show you're engaged and understanding. Nonverbal cues can reinforce your message. Now, let's handle disagreements respectfully. Disagreements are natural. Stay calm, listen carefully, address the issue rather than the person, and look for common ground. Respectful handling of disagreements leads to constructive outcomes. Let's keep the meeting on track next. Stick to the agenda. If the discussion drifts, gently steer it back and summarize key points to keep everyone focused. Staying on track ensures meeting objectives are met. Let's summarize and clarify next. Periodically recap main ideas, confirm everyone's understanding, and clarify the next steps before moving on. Summarizing ensures clarity and alignment. Now, let's assign action items. Clearly state what needs to be done, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines to ensure follow-through after the meeting. Action items drive accountability. Let's follow up after the meeting next. After the meeting, send out notes, review action items, and address any questions that weren't answered during the session. Follow-up ensures nothing is overlooked. Let's discuss tips for virtual meetings now. For virtual meetings, test your technology, use video to connect, mute when not speaking, and actively engage participants. Virtual settings require extra attention to communication. Let's avoid common communication pitfalls next. Watch out for common pitfalls like talking over others, drifting off topic, not listening, or being unclear in your communication. Avoiding these pitfalls enhances meeting effectiveness. Let's explore strategies for inclusive meetings now. Promote inclusivity by rotating facilitators, using round-robin sharing, and providing materials ahead of time so everyone can participate fully. Inclusive meetings benefit everyone. Let's handle difficult situations next. If conflicts arise, remain professional, address sensitive issues privately if necessary, and focus on finding solutions rather than placing blame. Professional handling of difficulties maintains a positive atmosphere. Let's build a positive meeting culture now. Create a positive meeting culture by starting and ending on time, celebrating achievements, and encouraging feedback for continuous improvement. A positive culture enhances engagement. Let's check our effective meeting communication checklist next. Remember this checklist. Prepare in advance, listen actively, speak clearly, encourage participation, and always summarize and assign tasks before ending. A checklist ensures all communication bases are covered. Let's practice applying these skills. Let's practice. Imagine you're leading a meeting. How would you make sure everyone is heard? What steps would you take to keep things productive? Practice makes perfect. Let's review key takeaways next. Inclusive practices benefit everyone, and follow-up ensures accountability. Key takeaways reinforce learning. Let's look at the next steps now. Meeting skills. Practice to enhance communication skills in meetings. Now, apply these strategies in your next meeting. Observe the difference and keep practicing to become an even more effective communicator in meetings. Effective communication transforms meetings into productive sessions.